In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right WeLive app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, for you to be able to download the right WeLive app, you need to go ahead and look for Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. So I have my Google Play Store app here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now from here, you should be able to see this search bar. And if you can't see it, go ahead and find one here and tap on it. Then just search for your app, WeLive, by name like that. And go ahead and tap on search here. And you'll see we have WeLive app here. Also, if you tap on it, this is the app, WeLive Video Chat and Meet. It is from WeLive team. And at the time of recording this video, the app has a star rating of 4.3. and over 42,000 reviews. The file size is around 105 MBs with over 10 million downloads. And here is the logo. So go ahead and tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of WeLive app. Then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here. Or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see WeLive app. If you open it, this is the home interface. You can therefore now sign in to start live chat. So that's how you can download and install WeLive chat app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.